Well, all right, I unwrapped these wires here. The little box that goes to this ran through the frame and out this side on two wires. So we disconnected all the lights, and there's the wiring mess. It. So we unhooked everything. Everything's right there. You can see the blinker, the coil, and the horn. Then she forks through right here, goes that way up to the front of the bike. So this is where she needs to be fed to go in there. Pot A. All right, some of these I'm going to need to film because I actually modified the switch. So you got one there, looks like a red, going into that brown wire. See it? So some of these I modified to go there. So I'm going to have to keep an eye on what I'm doing here. Yeah, we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Now, in the front of the light, you see the connections. They're all different. See them? They're all different. There's a black one, a green one, blue one. See the green one there? There you go. And then if you go over here, there's a black one in there too also. So we got to just match them up as far as I know. See? So we're going to get that mess all apart and strip it down. That's it. All right, so this one here with all those green things on them and those small plugs, they go through the frame right behind the coil, right there. Boom, and in. Okay, there she is. She's almost out. All right. We got a mess. We got a super mess here. See it? How much of a mess we got? And we got a mess. Okay. There it is. There it is. We got a lot of splicing going on up in there. See it? And that's from a while ago. We did all the new ones over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Over and over and over and out, because there's no other answer. I should have had this bike running. Now, we can always utilize these plugs, man. I don't know. I've been trying to salvage them for way too long. Look at it. Look at it. That's the only thing we can do. We got a new one coming. We got a real nice one coming, with the original fuse box and everything. But I made my own. So I made my own fuse box, and you'll have a couple of extra there. And it has a nice cover on it. And look how nice I did. And the color scheme is somewhere on this side. But I mostly have them memorized. Anyway, as you can see, I left a little bit on each end. Brown, red and white, red and yellow. So, unreal. Unreal. Alright, 650 look better already. I got no wires. There we go. Yeah, now it's all the new stuff and all the plugs are ready to go. We got them remounted. I was smart enough to disconnect the battery. Okay, I didn't touch my twin setup because you can't move that. I got it on there nice. See it? This thing running like a top and we can't get it to charge. So the best thing to do, buy the whole harness. That's what we did. So so much. I think I'll paint the headlight. Let's pick a color. Let me see. Well, we can get in there, so we might as well
Paint it up and make it look pretty.